Good day, welcome to King Robles Everything. We got us the Fire TV Alexa voice remote, and the reason I have an Alexa voice remote is because I lost the darn thing. I got a Cube TV, a Fire Cube TV, and immediately lost the remote. And the device wasn't that expensive, but if you go to try to buy the stupid remote, it's like $30, too expensive. I had $20 from Bing, or actually $10, $15 from Bing, so it wasn't that expensive. Otherwise, I would have got just some kind of universal one. But I kind of like these remotes. They're really nice size, and they do exactly what you want. I don't use the voice part. I just like the fast forward, stop, and pause, and home, and the little ringy deal. But kind of pricey for what it is. And you're kind of screwed without it. You can do the voice, and then the voice works fine. And that's the whole point behind the Fire TV Cube, is its voice, so you don't have to use it. But I still like the remote. Sometimes you just want to hit a button, fast forward, and stuff like that. A lot easier. But I lost the darn thing. So now we got a new one. So today what we are going to do, that's us. We're going to pair this bad boy with the Fire TV Cube. I thought at least we'd open it up because people like to see what's in a box. And Amazon, I think I've done videos on this before, but they do some of the nicest packaging out there. If you ever see anything comes from Amazon or Amazon made device, you'll know that it's some high quality packaging. It's always kind of impressed me. Someone's like origami. Yeah. All right. This is making me mad. That's it. There. Sorry, Amazon. I know you spent a lot of time on this, but it's just a remote. There's Mr. Box smiling at me. And of course, here's the remote. Nothing fancy. Simple remote. Oh, it comes with, of course, a manual. Let's see what's in the manual. Oh, there we go. Power up, pairing, tells you how to pair. That's very nice. And of course, it comes with 2 little batteries, loose. And then this fellow, and you can even see on the back how to put the batteries in. Slide it up, take it off, stick them in. And they forgot to put the cover back on. I actually tried pairing. I have a couple fire sticks, actually a whole bunch of fire sticks. And, come on, baby, open up. I just could not get them to pair, so I gave up. And because I got one of the fire sticks, I don't really use that much. I forgot I'll just use that remote, and maybe because I had already paired with the fire stick, I didn't want to go. So we're at the point where I bought another remote. Oops, there we go. Voila. And it's got the little plastic on there. We'll leave the plastic on. Let's take a look at the manual. Amazon Fire TV Alexa voice remote. Power up your Alexa voice. Power up your Alexa voice remote. Open the back. Insert the included batteries. Done. Pairing the remote with the Amazon Fire TV. You must pair your new remote to your Amazon Fire TV. Choose the applicable pairing instructions from the options below. This is a replacement remote. Restart your Fire TV by unplugging the power cable. After Amazon Fire TV home screen displays, your remote is ready for pairing. All right. Press and hold the home button. That's that button. Let's see. Press and hold your home button on your new remote. That's you. For at least 10 seconds. Your new remote should automatically pair with your Amazon Fire TV. So restart your Amazon Fire by plugging the power and plugging it back in. The Amazon Fire TV displays your remote is ready to pair. Press and hold the home button on your new remote for at least 10 seconds. Okay. On your new remote, this is an additional remote. Okay, so you can have a replacement or a second remote, so you can fight. Dueling remotes. If you have an additional remote, hold 10 seconds. You must use your existing remote for the following steps. Press the home button, navigate to the settings located at the top of the screen, select controllers and Bluetooth devices, Amazon Fire TV remotes, add a new remote. So your Amazon Fire will search for discover remotes. That's cool, so you can have 2 remotes. Tips. The new remote does not connect, remove and reinsert the batteries. Your remote, if your remote isn't discovered, press the home button for at least 10 seconds. Always replace dead batteries with new 1.5 alkaline or nickel metal hydride rechargeable batteries. And then some product information on the back. Pretty simple. So basically what we will do today is we will hold it down for 10 seconds. Bam. and see what it says on the Fire TV. So I'll tell you what, let's go by the TV and give this a test. Okay, so we have Mr. TV on. So I thought we would pair this sucker live, baby, live. So we'll do what it says. We'll take Mr. Remote, hold down for 10 seconds. All right, that did nothing. Let's see, hold down the home for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, do you see anything working? Nothing. Okay, since that did not work, we're going to use Mr. Phone. Got the Fire TV app, and we're going to go into, let's see, no, go back. We're going to go into settings. This is why I don't like using the app. It's too touchy. I get the idea. This is what I've been doing. I've been using Mr. Phone. And so we got notifications here. Come on. Applications. Oops. The controllers and Bluetooth devices. Amazon Fire TV remotes. Add a new remote. Search. Press and hold for 10 seconds. So that was the app. We want. Okay, so it did do it. I think it would give you some kind of notification. But that apparently is all we really need. And you can see over here it says press to unpair. So I don't want to unpair it, I just paired it. Let's see, let's go back, 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 and home. There you go. Pretty easy. We did have to use the app. At least we had to use the go into the settings. Let's see. Let's go back to home. So we did have to use the settings to pair it to the Fire TV Cube. So maybe the Fire TV stick's a little different. Fire TV stick. So I did go into controllers and Bluetooth devices, and I said Amazon Fire TV remotes, and add new remote. And then hold it down for 10 seconds. So that did work. It's very nice. So that is how you and I pair this remote to the Fire TV, actually the Fire TV Cube. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it useful. I did. And now I have my remote back, so I'm happy. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to get one of those colored covers for it, so at least I know. I think just being black, it's hard to locate this sometimes. And I don't want to lose it again because this is expensive, even though I know the Fire TV Cube, which is over there. Where is he at? Oh, he's down there. Is all supposed to be voice activated and all that good stuff. And that, for the most part, does work, but still sometimes you want the remote. Just makes it simpler and easier. So there you go. So enjoy the video and have a great day.